Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Just thought I'd hop on and give you kind of an intro to this video. So we did go to Instagram to ask what you wanted to see, either a bathroom or bedroom clean with me. So you guys picked the bedroom first. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. Hey, quit licking me. And we are just gonna go ahead and dive right in. So let's just get right in. This is my messy bedroom. I have not cleaned my bedroom in who knows how long. And there is just clothes everywhere that needed to just be put away, folded, textbooks laying around, water bottles, who even knows. I also just kind of need some organization in my life. Just kind of have my vacuum cleaner chilling there, the rug I don't really use anymore. This is again all stuff that came out of my garage that I had to get rid of. So I just kind of need to go through all that and just sort through and organize, just see what I can get rid of. I even have a Jeep bumper in my bedroom because that was also in my garage from when I changed my bumper, and here we are. So just really a mess everywhere. Alright, so we will start with the bed, just because I really needed to wash the sheets, wash the comforter, just get everything all fresh and nice for the nice clean room that I'm going to have. Now time to clean out the dreaded boxes of who knows what from my garage, all kinds of things from my old apartment that just, I guess, never got put away or never got sorted through or thrown away. So definitely have to get through and organize that one. Alright, so starting to look a little bit better. So I do like to go ahead and take everything off of the counter space that I'm about to wipe down, just so I can get it all wiped down and get all the dust and everything. Over here I just have all these clothes that I really needed to just go through and fold or hang or figure out what I needed to do with those. So again, we're just going to take everything off so that we can get a good wipe down, and then when we put everything back, it can be all nice and pretty and organized and not dusty anymore. Thank you guys so much for watching, and just remember to subscribe if you don't want to miss any of our next videos, and go ahead and hit that like button as well. We'll see you in the next one.